Okay guys, if you have a toddler that has shorter pieces in the front or bangs, I'm gonna show you a hairstyle that's amazing to keep it all out of their face. It's so easy, so stay tuned. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start by brushing their hair out just to make sure it's all smooth and there's no tangles. And then we're gonna part it in the middle. Make sure you have some clear elastics on hand because we're gonna use those a couple times. What are you doing? Are you being silly? So we're gonna take the first section that has the shortest hair. So for her, it's her bangs, and we're just going to pull them back and secure them with a clear elastic.
I want to get these balls.
Okay, hold them for me.
Here.
We can use them at the very end.
And
When we're all done with the hair tutorial. Thank you, Mom.
all done with the hair. All done with my hair.
Okay, we have the first two done. Now we're gonna take them, and so basically that whole inch behind it, we're just gonna take, section off, and secure with a clear elastic. And I'm trying to create more of a square shape with them so that it looks even all the way back, but you can do whatever you prefer. Did you like watching Cindy Lou Who and how sweet she was?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did
And
too.
the Grinch was mean.
And the Grinch was so mean. And then for this last section, I'm just gonna pull the inch behind those, and both ones that I've created, pull them all together and secure them with a clear elastic. And then we'll just put a little bow in, because every girl needs a bow.
Mommy,
Yes,
I got these candies.
I love it.
I got these.
How cute are you looking?
I'm looking great.
You're looking great.
Yeah.
You are looking so great.